Oh, another unboxing, baby. Versace. Yeah, perfect timing too. Brand new boxes, brand new jeans, brand new shirts, brand new watch, brand new belt, brand new glasses. In the airport, hopefully. Two more shirts. Last unboxing. One more unboxing for y'all. iPad unboxing. And as y'all know, inside of everything of Apple, my favorite products. Two more Apple stickers. And I gotta bring the iPad with me because that's how I'm controlling the drone. Okay, now I gotta leave in 9 minutes. I gotta get all my camera stuff in the camera bag, pack my bag, get my GoPro stuff in the GoPro bag, the Vita stuff in the Vita bag. See, all I can say, y'all, is subscribe and wait till you see this next episode, okay? This is years in the making. It's called Dreams Come True, the vlog. And episode 1 is coming up next.